Hey, Black Tony, what's up?
Hey, what's up, cuz?
Hey, what's up, man? Why you in at work, man? Like everybody else, man. Getting tired of this.
Hey, so I don't feel good today, so I ain't gonna lie, so I need somebody to call in and tell me something I can do, so.
What's wrong with you?
Man, so I was on my auntie Brenda holler, and so you know that my mom's sister.
Yeah, the one who house be nasty.
Yo, I'll be nasty. Man, I was always mad because she always cooking chili. And her kids stink, and she got roaches. Hey, look, Shawty, that's my mom's sister. But, hey, Shawty, look.
Yeah.
But, hey, Shawty, man, my auntie cook some fried bologna over there, Shawty. Man, she gonna put some fried bologna, sir. She gonna talk about, man, part of that bologna was green, so she gonna cut the green part out, talking about it's all good.
Oh.
Yeah, because she know she ain't gonna waste her food, so throwing away no food, but hey, Shawty, I ate that green bologna, boy. Woo! Shawty, hey, Shawty.
Why you eat it, man?
Woo! Shawty. Hey, man, what good, Shawty? What that
KO pack thing.
What the good one, Shawty, I can take?
Yeah, either some Pepto-Bismol. Where you at? You on the toilet, Black Tony?
So don't put my business in the street like that, Shawty.
Hey, well, we can hear the toilet flush in the background.
Shawty, we ain't on the radio.
No, man. You know I won't put you out there like that, boy.
That's just me and you, Shawty.
Yeah, I ain't.
Shawty. Hey, Shawty, send another car over here. Oh, Lord, Shawty. Ooh. Hey, Shawty.
Hey, yeah, you got to meet the Brown situation. Dropping the kids off at the pool. So, Black Tony.
Shawty, my stomach Commodore, Shawty.
Black Tony. So why would you eat a green bologna saying the bologna was green, player? Why you eat bologna sandwich anyway, man? You done made you money, man. You could have went to Root Chris and got you a steak or something.
Shawty, talking about when she fried, they were gonna fry the rotten off of there. Hey, Shawty, look.
Yeah.
I'll be there tomorrow, Shawty.
Don't come in today, man, cause the bathroom is already probably occupied right now. Let it out, dog. Let it out, dog. Let it out, dog. Push. Black Tony. Black Tony. Black Tony, rock back and forth. Rock back and forth.
Stop laughing at me, Shawty.
Take your shoes off, dog. Dig your toes down in that carpet. You gotta get back.
On the Ricky Smiley Morning Show.